Here's how you can crush your sales quota with Relevance AI agents.
And trust me, you're going to want to watch this video until the end.
Let's say you work for Plantify, a SaaS platform that delivers plants to office spaces and helps maintain them. You're trying to sell to me, Dan Palmer from Relevance AI, a tough customer. You're 15 minutes from showtime and you've got nothing. Here I am in HubSpot. It's looking a bit bare. So let's jump into Relevance and tag the HubSpot agent to pull our record into chat. The HubSpot contact doesn't actually have my company name on record, but the agent figured things out. Next, let's tag our prospect researcher agent to enrich that sad-looking HubSpot record. It finds my LinkedIn, analyzes my posts, takes a look at Relevance's profiles and job listings. It also checks out the Relevance website and even finds my Twitter account on Google. Then it passes those details back to the HubSpot agent, who asks for permission to update the contact. I want to double check its work before it updates things. I hit it with the LGTM. Looks good to me. And there you have it, an enriched HubSpot contact, all from chat. But I get it, you've seen enrichment before. So let's take it up a level. Now I'm going to tag our pitch perfect agent. Based on the chat, it forges a detailed and personalized pitch to help sell Plantify to Relevance AI. Let's tag the Relevance slide builder agent to make the deck. We select Plantify's brand kit and template and tell it to get started. Close your laptop and jump on that pipe review call. When you're back, there's a beautiful, completely personalized sales deck waiting for you. This is a good start. I like how it's pulled Relevance's AI workforce marketing slogan into the title. Then it identifies that Relevance is scaling into new markets with the launch of our Barca office and Series B. It must have seen us post about it on LinkedIn. It calls out the challenges we're likely to be having therefore, trying to hire in the competitive AI market across 3 time zones. I feel heard. I want to win the talent war. And now it's using my own words to pitch Plantify back to me. Relevance is all about making work more joyful, and that should start with our own team. All right, you've got me listening. How can Plantify help? An introduction to Plantify and direct responses to the pain points identified. Then it recommends a pricing plan based on the size of our company. Yep, I'm ready. Send me the contract. Look, that was pretty impressive. Already you can close more deals with this level of quality for every single sales call. But the Relevance slide builder agent can go even further. What about an interactive pricing slide where you can build out a package for the prospect with them on the call? What about a live competitor battle card? Handle objections by toggling to whoever they're evaluating against you and show exactly where the competition falls short. What about an ROI calculator where you can show the prospect exactly when they'll hit payback and model what that looks like as they scale? What if we could pull up the perfect case study for the prospect right there on the call so you can surface exactly what you need to build credibility and social proof? Wondering about implementation? Let's model different rollout timelines in an interactive Gantt chart so you can scope the perfect deployment for every customer. Actually, you know what? Let's build a slide where you can design a floor plan for every customer live on the call and drag in plants with a live pricing calculator so every prospect can literally visualize what their space will look like when they buy Plantify. If you're not selling like this, your competitors will be with Relevance.